Dad didn't get the directions quite correct. So now we're heading the right direction. Unless Dad gets the directions wrong again. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Say hi, Mom. So now we have reached our destination. We're at the ruins of the Agora. So right now we're at the Agora that's still intact. You can see it right there. The bottom set is Doric because it tapers up to the top and has a small base. It's pretty basic. And then the one on the top right there, that's Ionic because it has like these swirls like a ramp. We could see some structures over here, which is magnificent. Okay, so we're at the Acropolis, and we're right next to the Parthenon, or the Parthenon, which is right here. Right here. You can see the Greece flag, and you can see the sea over there going over the mountain. So I'm currently at the Temple of Zeus right here, and it's being reconstructed. You can see it over there. You can see this column, it fell down. But these two columns are Corinthian columns. Santorini, and we just took a plane, and we could see the ocean right there. Okay, so we're currently walking down in Santorini, and the time is 6:01 a.m. and the sunrise is pretty cool. We're walking down the street to take a good picture with David. Yeah. Okay, so we're about to go on a 6-mile hike at
Oya.
Oya. And before we're getting some bakery food, so I got a chocolate croissant. They got a chocolate croissant.
We're gonna walk down to the old port and take the cable car back up.
And I got mango dream smoothie, which is mango and pear. Okay, we are currently hiking on the coastline. We're hiking to Oya, and look at this. Oh, wow. Okay, so we just finished the donkey taxi and we are at Oya, and it's right next to the ocean. Like, I'm talking right next to the ocean and the coastline too. The water is so clear here. Like, you could see the bottom. This might be really windy, but we're currently on an ATV going to Oya, and apparently the view is going to be very nice. We passed Dad and Joseph, so we're in first place. Just kidding, it's not a race, but we're going to Oya right now. We're going to be riding today and tomorrow. Woo!